Hi, I'm Matt Walsh from Style Factory. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to the GetResponse free trial, or even use the platform for free indefinitely. And I'll share an exclusive link that will give you a very significant discount on the premium version of GetResponse too. Right, let's dive in. 1. Use the special Style Factory sign-up link. Because we're an official affiliate partner of GetResponse, we are given special links that let our community avail of special offers, extended trials, and discounts. So to start using GetResponse for free, just click on the link in the video description. Alternatively, type the URL that's currently on screen into your browser or scan the QR code. Now, it's important to note that using our link currently gives you access to a free forever version of the platform, or if you prefer, a 30-day trial of its pro version. However, GetResponse may be getting rid of the free forever version soon, so if you're interested in accessing it, it's best to use the link quickly. 2. Create your free account. You'll now be prompted to create your free GetResponse account. Just supply the relevant details and click Create Account. After a few onboarding steps, you'll then have access to GetResponse entirely for free. You can either use a premium version of the platform for 30 days for free, or keep using a cut-down version of GetResponse forever. 3. Activate a discount. If you decide that GetResponse is the right email marketing tool for you and want to access all its premium features, simply upgrade your plan. If you use the link in the video description to do so, you can avail of 10% off your plan. You may want to bookmark this video in case you want to find the link again. And depending on whether you pay for your plan on a monthly, 12-month or 24-month basis, you can avail of a total discount of up to 37%. And that's it. You now have access to a GetResponse free trial and a discount for the platform too. Before you go, we'd love you to like this video, hit subscribe and click the notifications bell. This helps us out and gives you full access to all our tips and special offers going forward. And finally, if you have any questions about GetResponse or its free trial, do make sure to leave them in the comments section. We read them all and will do our best to help.